Hi, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share some things that I picked up. It's kind of like a fabric haul, but you know, I'm supposed to be on a fabric diet. And then I also have some notions that I picked up as well. So I just want to share those. And so it'll be real quick. Let's see. I picked up this gray and red like pleated fabric from Joannes. So I was thinking about making a circle skirt. It was in their like clearance section, so they didn't have much, so I got all that they had. So I don't know if I have enough, but we shall see. But I thought it was really cute. And they also have a gray and a turquoise one, and that one is real cute as well, but I don't know. It's a little expensive, and so I'm just trying to wait to see if it's gonna go on sale, since I go over there every Saturday morning. And then the next one is this turquoise, white, blue. I just like it. It's giving me summer vibes, like on the beach, on somebody's ocean. And I'm thinking about making Simplicity 9618. So it is a tote bag, and it feels like canvas. I'm not sure what it really is though, but that's what it feels like to me. So not sure what view I would like to do, but yeah, that's what I have in mind for it. And then I did also pick up these snaps. So the pattern doesn't call for the snaps, but you know, I always try to do something a little different, so I think I want to add the snaps. And then I also do have a purse pattern that I need to sew as well, so the snaps can go for both. And then the next fabric that I have, this is from Sewing Studio, so it's this pink linen fabric, and I don't know, here lately I've just been in like a pink mood, so everything that I buy here lately has been like pink, pink, pink. But I really like it, and I'm thinking about doing Simplicity 9324. So I know like it really doesn't look like much in the front, just like, you know, a plain old dress, girl, but when you turn it over, not sure if you can see it, but it has like the little open back, just a peek. And then the buttons down the back, so I like that. So thinking about doing view B, which is just like the longer version, because I think basically they're all the same. Yeah, kinda. Yeah. So then you only need like threads and buttons for this one. Thread, duh. But yeah, and buttons for this one, and lightweight interfacing. So not too much. And then the last one that I picked up, so these last two were from Sewing Studio. Don't think I said that. But this is another linen, and it's kind of lighter, but it's polka dots, mint green with the white. I've never sewn with polka dots before, so don't really know, but I'm thinking about doing Simplicity 9114. So it is a Mimi G pattern, the two-piece, like the little top, tank top, and then the pants. I thought that'd be real cute, but let me know. Maybe I should do a dress, or, you know, I don't know. Like I said, I've never sewn with polka dots before, so I don't know how that two-piece thing will go and how it will look, but I'm loving this so far. And then I picked up a pattern, Vogue 1923. So I really like this, what is it called? Bodysuit. Yeah. I really like the crisscross in the front, so it looks like it's gathered, and then in the bag it just has it like this. So I don't know, we shall see, but I thought that was cute, and I'm sure I have some stretch knit in my stash that I can just use for this, so I didn't pick up any fabric. But this pattern did call for fusible bunding web, so I've never used this before, so I'm interested to see how the instructions will have me to use this. So we shall see. And that's all of the fabric and like patterns that I picked up. So I did pick up some notions, so I got some more serger thread. So normally, if you looked at my last two videos, you'll see like the black and white, and it's not really together. So I picked up an extra comb because that's what I needed to just make it all go together. So right now I'm not interested in buying different color thread to match, you know, the fabrics that I have, since I'm still learning my machine, and then I think that's a little expensive right now for me, so so I'm just gonna do this. Then I picked up another seam ripper, so you can never have too many of those. I'm always misplacing mine. I have some craft button covers, so I always like it when, you know, the buttons match the fabric. So I think that's cute. I wish they came in like an assortment all in one pack, but I didn't see that at Joannes, so I guess I have to look on like Amazon or something to see. But yeah. And then the last thing, I just picked up this little kit. So it has threads, needles, scissors, just some things. I always find myself here lately, traveling, and then I need to hem up like the bottom of my skirt or the bottom of my dress or something like that. So instead of me shifting something, this just could be my little on-the-go kit. Yeah. So that's all that I picked up. Let me know if you have any of these patterns, any tips or tricks that I should be aware of. And that's all. So thanks for watching and be blessed.